In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync specific folders. If your computer's hard drive is feeling cramped or you simply don't need every single Dropbox folder available offline, this quick setup will let you choose exactly what stays on your computer and what lives only in the cloud, while still being safely stored in your Dropbox account. Start by opening the Dropbox app from the small icon in your taskbar on Windows or the menu bar on a Mac. That icon gives you access to your account settings and sync options. Once the Dropbox window opens, click your avatar. This could be your initials or a profile picture, and choose Preferences. This takes you into the main settings panel where we can fine-tune how files are stored on your device. In Preferences, go to the Sync tab. This is where Dropbox controls what gets downloaded and kept locally on your hard drive. Look for the button labeled Selective Sync on Windows, or choose Folders to sync on Mac. Click that button to open a list of every folder in your Dropbox. You'll now see a complete list of folders associated with your account. Each one with a check mark is currently set to be stored on your computer. To free up space or reduce clutter, uncheck any folders you don't want to keep on your hard drive. This does not delete your files from Dropbox. It simply removes the local copies so they won't take up space on this device. The folders and their contents remain safely in your Dropbox cloud storage and can still be accessed from the Dropbox website or added back to your computer later by returning to this same setting and checking them again. If there are folders you use often without internet access, keep those checked so they remain available offline. When you're happy with your selection, click Update and then Confirm to apply the changes. Dropbox will begin updating your computer, removing local copies of any folders you unchecked. Depending on how much data you're changing, this may take a little time. You can keep working while Dropbox processes in the background. If a folder disappears from your File Explorer after confirmation, that's expected. It's now stored online only. Remember, nothing is deleted from your Dropbox account. You can revisit these settings anytime to adjust which folders sync locally. It's a great way to keep your most important work at your fingertips while preserving valuable disk space. And that's it, simple, precise control over what's synced to your computer.